I am going to walk you through on a simple webinar workflow for my client who is offering coaching services to women ages 30 and above. This workflow will start once a form has been submitted. And in this case, I have created the form within the Go High Level built-in feature, and I have linked it on an opt-in page, which I have also built within the funnel part of the funnel builder of Go High Level. If you're curious about the form, this is what it looks like. It pops up once you open the opt-in page, and the lead will be prompted to enter their first name and then their email address. And once they click the Watch Here button, they will be redirected directly to the pre-recorded webinar. This is what it looks like. This is a sample video that I have just made. And going back to the workflow, a contact entry will be made right away, and they will be tagged as free webinar and Instagram ad. Free webinar so that we will know in the end which lead magnet gathers more lead, and Instagram ad to know the source of traffic. These will all come handy and helpful when we create report or dashboard for our clients. And after that, they will be automatically be part of a coaching marketing pipeline. First stage for that is the new lead, and a wait time delay is set to 1 day or 24 hours before they will be receiving our first email campaign sequence. A copy of the webinar is on this email, but also an offer is pitched on it. I've used the email builder of Go High Level, but you can also create your email campaigns using MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. But this one, I have decided to use the built-in feature of Go High Level. So it has the same feature as others also. You can configure or customize the email, the from name. In this case, you need to update or change this to your business email address or to your client's email address, subject, and then there's also the preview text. This is what it looks like for our customer. And let's edit design, and there a video is embedded. This is the body. You can have custom values in there to personalize the greeting, and below is the offer. And once they are going to click the call to action, they will be redirected to the order form or the order page. And going back in here, they will be given 4 days window time. There is a condition. I've set the condition to order submitted for a product. In order to create this kind of recipe, you need to enlist the coaching session as a product first. How to do that? You just simply need to go to payments there, and then go to products, and then you can create a product in there. In this case, I have already made one for the one-on-one live coaching session, which is the offer that is you need to enlist the one-on-one live coaching session first as a product. You have to go to payments and then create product. And on this case, I have already created it as a product. And although it says in here, product type is physical, you can create on the description what it really is. Like, I have made some kind of a disclaimer that this is not a physical product, and an email will be sent together with a scheduling link after the order confirmation. In that way, you set the correct expectation to your leads or to your buying customer. And what does it really look like in here on the email campaign? I will show you. Preview here. This is the video. This is the call to action, and it will redirect you to the payment page. So you have the image, first name, email. This is the product where you can see the disclaimer also. You make the payment and then you hit submit. Once all of that was done, the condition is met, and then the lead will be tagged as paid $75, and then an internal notification as an SMS will be sent to my client with custom tags in there to indicate the name of the subscribing customer and then the email address and what to expect after that. And that certain lead will be removed from the workflow, and it will be added to another workflow where they will be prompted to make a booking, and they will receive follow. Once they are removed from this workflow, they will be part of a new workflow which is set for appointment and booking follow-ups and reminders. That's a different workflow. It's good to compartmentalize your workflows so that you can easily integrate it to other paths or workflows as well. What happens if they did not click the call to action button, or in other words, they did not make a purchase? They will be receiving again another campaign offer, which is the second on the email sequence. This one is different and unique to the other email campaigns that we have here within this workflow. It has a different tone, it has a different image asset, different call to action also. This is what it looks like there. There's a different CTA button. Each one of these email campaigns are unique and nothing are the same. They will be given another 3 days, and the condition is set to the same thing again. If they purchase the product, they will be tagged as paid $75. An internal notification will be sent to our client. They will be removed from the workflow and they will be part of another workflow. Same thing goes down below. If they did not meet the condition, they will receive another campaign offer, which is the third on the sequence. And so it goes on up until the fifth campaign offer. What happens after the fifth email campaign was sent and the lead has not yet decided to grab the offer or to avail your offer? They will be tagged as a cold lead. And after that, they will be forwarded to a new pipeline stage, which is nurture lead, wherein they will undergo a series of email campaigns designed to build their trust and to update them of fresh topics that will be covered by future webinars of my client, which is a coach. Then, after that, they will be removed from this workflow. That concludes this workflow. Thank you.